Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. In previous class, we have learned circulatory system, right? Today, in on page number 42, excretory system, we are going to learn excretory system. Okay? It is somewhat hard topic, dear children. Please have a concentration of 5 minutes and understand it. Okay? In circulatory system, what we learned? We learned that it is the responsible for transporting nutrients, water and oxygen to the entire body, right? It circulates all these things in our all the body. The main function of the circulatory system is heart, blood and blood vessels, right? In the same way, excretory system is very important for our body too. It is responsible for removing waste materials from the body. So through the responsible of removing waste materials from our body is taken up by this excretory system. Okay, can you guess in what all the forms our waste is released from our body? You know it, just have a guess. Just think, from our body, in what ways the waste is removed? Urine. The liquid waste is removed in the form of urine. Feces, we'll go for washroom now, that only, that's a solid waste. Okay, so there is one more thing. I don't know whether you observed or not. Have a think once. Other than these two, there are two more things. Guess okay, or else the answer is one thing, we release carbon dioxide waste from our lungs, right? Even releasing of carbon dioxide also, it is coming from our body itself. From all the organs, the carbon dioxide is carried to lungs and it is exhaled through lungs, nose. Okay, one more thing is sweat, right? There are sweat glands in our body where the sweat is also the waste which is removed from our body. Okay, this all comes under the excretory system only. Okay, see, some parts of our body such as sweat glands in skin, lungs, large intestine and kidney are involved in this process. That's what we discussed here. Please underline that, it is second sentence. See, it is here. Some parts of our body such as sweat glands, skin, lungs, large intestine and kidneys are involved in this process. So now say me, from sweat glands, where are the sweat glands are present? In skin itself. Okay, from skin what is the waste removed? Sweat. From lungs, carbon dioxide is released. From large intestine, the solid waste, the waste which is extracted from the food which we eat. From that, this solid waste is removed from the large intestine. It comes out of our body through anus. Okay, and kidney, what is the waste removed from the kidney? Urine. Okay, fine. Sweat glands in skin remove waste in the form of sweat and lungs give off carbon dioxide in form of gas. Large intestine removes solid waste that are discharged through the anus, but the urinary system is the main excretory system of our body that removes waste in the form of urine. Okay, here we have discussed about four waste removable system, right? One is sweat glands in skin, lungs, large intestine and kidneys. Yes, once again listen dear children. Here in this excretory system, the waste is removed. Okay, This excretory system takes a responsible of removing waste materials from the body. So in our body, the waste is removed in the form of 4 ways. Done. 4 ways. One is in the form of sweat, through sweat glands in skin, in the form of gas, that is CO2, through lungs and nose. One is large intestine. From the large intestine, the food waste is extracted and it is passed out through anus. Okay. And fourth one is kidney, which is remove the waste thing, liquid waste in the form of urine. So among these 4, this urinary system is the main excretory system of our body, which removes the waste. Okay. So in this urinary system, there are some parts involved in this. Okay. I hope you understood about excretory system. Okay, dear children.